Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Islamiat for CSS. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus, which covers diverse topics from Islamic beliefs to contemporary issues. Next, identify the core areas, such as the Quran and Hadith, as these are foundational. Finally, create a structured study plan, dedicating specific time slots to each section to ensure comprehensive coverage and effective preparation. This approach helps in managing your study load efficiently. To truly excel, you must grasp the fundamental Islamic beliefs and practices, moving beyond mere memorization to understand their philosophy and purpose. Rely on authentic sources like standard Islamic books and well-regarded interpretations of the Quran. Crucially, practice writing structured answers, incorporating critical analysis, and relating Islamic principles to modern challenges. This skill is vital for high scores and demonstrates a deeper understanding of the subject matter. For the exam, developing a clear outline for each essay question is paramount to ensure coherence and structure. Integrate relevant Quranic verses and Hadith references to strengthen your arguments, aiming for 3 to 5 per topic. Remember to cite references in Arabic where possible, providing accurate translations. Most importantly, practice time management under exam conditions to complete all questions thoroughly and efficiently, maximizing your potential score. Consistent revision of all topics is crucial for retaining information and reinforcing your knowledge before the exam. Additionally, stay updated on current Islamic issues and their proposed solutions, as examiners often test your ability to apply Islamic principles to contemporary challenges. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your study space pristine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.